Me and you feel so comfortable.
Reaction.
People, reaction boss, merch, copy, you feel me? Right now it's the winter time. Is me I say it get cold. Is me I say better extra large so we can wear 3 layer clothes or die. Anyways, we have a song from Saint Kitts again. As me I say the viewers are recommending it right now. So people, what I'm gonna do is I'm trying to drop a Saint Kitts reaction every single day, mixed with all the other Caribbean islands that I represent for. You feel me? Represent for the entire Caribbean. Comment on this video to see your comment right there next video that I post. Don't know, very consistent over here. I've been MIA for like 1 day though. I missed yesterday. You feel me? I just wasn't in the mood. My mood is really still not 100% right now, but it's like I need to be consistent. I think this is like motivating me to work hard. I think I do more with myself and be more productive with my days. So this is really why I do YouTube some of the time, for real. You feel me? And for the enjoyment, and for the laughter, and for the fun, and for the feedback from you guys. Anyways, right now about Saint Kitts. Ease Out. Is that how you pronounce the name? Ease Out. Secret. Let's see what it's about. I don't know what's about. First time I go listen to a song from the brother here. Is it me? I say it's been for like 4 months. Let's see what's happening right now, man. The viewers are coming right now. Is it me? Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Run tune. So you know, says a cheating settings already. You call it down. Don't say woman delete the whole like chat them already. That's it about new messages. Can't wait to see you. Won't she suspect anything? I told her that I'm going on a business trip. Rast, a slag you want to go for? Go on. I bet you say I got game ball with the man that cut the land grass and the cut with the man that clean up the yard. I say I fuck party with that man there. Watch it joke. Go on. Want me tell you say like a tree so check out for the two of them to block all the gate, man. Go on, go on. Hey, me even show you the brother them in the video are the artists. I don't want the dreadlock. Go on, hold on. No, it get bright. I'll take off his shirt too. Me general, calm down yourself. Calm down yourself. Cut the reaction boss merch. Click the link down below. Go on.
Whenever me want you, change me name in your phone and me call you. No let nobody see what go on. Me a diploma fit the pipe in your wall. Call me the glass cutter. Electrician the man no bring the power. Yes.
He does say call me the grass cutter. Electrician the plumber, he does say yo, you might be ready to fix a pipe when you what me blood clot. What I'm saying?
Nobody see what go on. Me a diploma fit the pipe in your wall. Call me the glass cutter. Electrician the man no bring the power.
Yeah.
Yes, the man turn up the temperature.
Alright.
Me lover. Can't avoid anything to touch so bad. Nobody have to know, nobody feel know. Nobody have to know, nobody feel know.
The game man done say already, but we could go on to some more, yeah, my general. Go on.
What we are deal with, the loving energy we fi keep it secret.
Kawa.
Nobody have to know,
Nobody now know.
Nobody have to know, nobody feel know. What we are deal with, the loving energy we fi keep.
Call the plumber, baby girl. Just call the plumber and stop joking, baby girl. You know you want to call the plumber already. Call him up. Ha.
Keep it secret.
Hey, are you
The pipe now work.
available? I really need your help.
Sing like every time me and you feel so comfortable.
No, sir, you get catch the dog.
Nobody have to know, nobody feel know. Nobody have to know, nobody feel know. What we are deal with, the loving energy we fi keep it secret. Nobody have to know, nobody feel know. Nobody have to know, nobody fi know. We a deal with. You loving energy, we fi keep it.
Who you give me $1? Brother, give me the one of that. Me I go snitch. Me blood clot.
Secret. Now when the time starts flying, it's still in my arms. And now when the rain start pour,
It's still in my arms.
and most of all, when the nature call, I'm coming.
I like this. I like that video. I like that video. I don't think about the video. I like the concept of the video. I like the storytelling. I like everything about the video. I'm not gonna lie. I like it. I like it. That go on good. You see me? I say the producer, yeah man, them do them together.
Nobody have to know, nobody fi know. Nobody have to know, nobody fi know. What we
It's like you give my face, nobody not for know, I say me and you want fuck. Nobody not for know, I say you want give it up. Nobody not for know, I say me. But yeah, baby, take off your dress. Nobody not for know. Hey!
deal with. The loving energy we fi keep it secret.
Right, say get catch. You get when I say no, sir, don't come in. No, you want to get money, don't come in. No.
Nobody have to know, nobody fi know. Nobody have to know, nobody fi know. We a deal with. The loving energy we fi keep it.
Oh gosh, it's wine back to pop. Girl, pussy, I get boss.
Secret.
Oh gosh! But he had draw for the baseball, but Jesus Christ. Hit that Sharon! No, we can't laugh a blood clot! No! One Root Studio, big up yourself. Big up Mega Minds Creators. You may say you do a wonderful job with that one, yeah. Alright then. But next video when you ease out, hold on. You know, take long. Anyway, see if I go start to that video, I'm going to do the next one right now because that video, I like creating the music videos. See me I say, I love writing the music videos. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to drop that one, then I'm going to do that one, drop that one for tomorrow. So you can know what to expect. So if you watch the video to that part, yeah, one more you comment in the comment section right now, more you comment, hold on in the comment section right now. Just comment, don't comment the name, just drop hold on in the comment section. I know Sanetta come next. Just if you watch the video to the end, just comment hold on. You see me I say, and if you can, you see me I say, go cop the merch. You see me I say, that'll be down below in the comment section in the description. You see me I say, I have a whole heap of different style, whole heap of different designs. You see me I say, that's the one I'm here for. I'm like, zip up thing. You see me? You don't know the chop reaction boss for the shirt. Oh gosh, man, nobody do it like me. Anyways, hold on, dropping tomorrow. So you know something to look forward to. Peace.